When all is said and done, everyone wants a laptop that is versatile enough to take on a variety of tasks. There are laptops that are specifically designed for certain tasks or have a specific purpose in mind, but many people want a device that is a jack of all trades. Speaking of which, say hello to the Dell Inspiron 15 7501. This laptop has just the right number of features to make it a very impressive choice for someone looking for a versatile device. Let's take a quick look at what it has to offer. A versatile device needs to be powerful enough to take on a range of tasks. Dell knows this pretty well, and this Dell laptop is packed with Intel's 10th gen core processors. These are also 8 series processors, which means that they've been designed specifically for higher performance in laptops. Besides the processor, Dell has also packed an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti GPU. This GPU packs NVIDIA's Turing architecture, which is used in the RTX 20 series of GPU. As such, it offers impressive levels of performance. This should ensure that the Inspiron 7501 has plenty of power for a video editing tasks or even a bit of gaming. Of course, with such performance, heat can be a bit of a concern. The Inspiron 7501 is smart enough to know when it's in your lap or on the desk and then intelligently adapt its thermal profiles. Plus, there is also dual fans and dual heat pipes to keep things cool. So if it's in your lap, it will reduce a bit of power to keep the temperatures low. But when it is on a desk, then it ramps things up to ensure maximum performance. A display on a laptop is pretty important as well. The 15.3-inch Full HD display on the Inspiron 7501 sits just in the middle of the portability offered by a 13-inch laptop and the big screen experience of a 17-inch laptop, therefore giving you best of both the worlds. Besides a Full HD resolution, the laptop's display also supports Dolby Vision. It should also be noted that Dell has shaved off the bezels on all 4 sides of the display to ensure a greater screen-to-body ratio. You never know what you may need to connect to your computer, so Dell has ensured that all the basics are covered in the Inspiron 7501. It comes with an HDMI port, a microSD card reader, USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, and even a USB Type-C port that supports Thunderbolt 3 and can be used as a display port or for power delivery. In terms of storage, the Inspiron 7501 is available with up to 1TB of M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD storage, which is a much faster option as compared to a regular SATA SSD. This should ensure any apps and software load quickly with minimal wait times. Security is another very important feature in a laptop, so users get a fingerprint reader as well as Windows Hello, so they don't have to punch in a password all the time. There is also a webcam with a privacy shutter that physically blocks the webcam when it is not in use. As one can see, the Inspiron 7501 packs enough features to make it a very versatile device. So if you're looking for a powerful editing rig, a productivity monster, or something that ensures privacy, the Dell Inspiron should surely have you covered.